Cost optimization, scalability, and a shorter time to market are amongst the key benefits of cloud computing. Therefore, it is definitely an important pillar of a successful transformation strategy. At Solars, we have observed that most insurers are still far from exploiting the full potential of the cloud. Many fear uncertainties, such as data security or regulatory constraints. They also often lack a clear vision of the end-to-end transition process. Fortunately, there are proven methods to address these problems. My name is Korneliusz Frączek, and I am responsible for the delivery of cloud services at Solars Consulting. It is my pleasure to invite you to our webinar, Insurance in the Cloud: How to Maximize the Benefits of Your Transformation, which will take place on the 6th of October at 11 a.m. During our webinar, we will guide you step by step through the transformation process, explain how to assess your business case, and discuss what are the factors and tools you need to consider in order to make the best use of the cloud technology. Join us to leverage your cloud transformation.